Okay, this is a decision I see students agonize over every other week. US MBA or European MBA. And honestly, most content online treats it like a rankings comparison. It's not. In 2026, this comparison has drifted dramatically, and I want to walk you through whatever has actually changed. Let me address the elephant in the room first. The US, in my honest opinion, and I'll say this directly, the US MBA is not the default choice for Indian students anymore. And it's not about school quality. HBS and Stanford are still HBS and Stanford. It's about what happens after. The H-1B visa situation has become unpredictable. Odds are hovering around 35%, up from the terrible 11% a few years ago. But the Trump administration's approach has added a whole layer of uncertainty that just wasn't there in 2018 or 2019. Proposed $100K supplemental fees on new H-1B petitions, potential FICA taxes on OPT income, general policy volatility. In my view, you are basically making a 2.5 crores bet on visa rules that could change again in 6 months, and that's a lot of risk for anyone. This is why I have seen a real shift in the last 2 cycles. Indian applicants are moving toward Europe, and specifically toward French schools like INSEAD or HEC Paris, and UK schools like LBS, Oxford and Cambridge Judge, because these programs give you 3 things that US cannot: predictable post-study work rights, faster ROI through 1 year formats, and strong pipelines into the Middle East, which honestly has become one of the most exciting job markets for MBAs right now. Dubai, Riyadh, Abu Dhabi are hiring hard, and French and UK MBAs feed directly into that region through consulting and finance and family office roles. Now the numbers. US MBA at a top program, all in cost is around 1.9 to 2.5 crores over 2 years. LBS is around 1.7 to 1.9 crores. INSEAD and HEC land closer to 1.1 to 1.3 CR total. Europe, especially the 1-year programs, is meaningfully cheaper. Add 1 year of not losing salary, another 30 to 40 lakhs saved on opportunity cost. Salary wise, US wins on absolute numbers. Median base at top US schools is $1,55,000 to $1,75,000. Total comp often crossing $250K. LBS median base is around £92,000. INSEAD around $1,23,000 total comp pounds. So US pays more on paper. But once you factor cost of living, taxes, the 2-year cost, and the visa uncertainty, the ROI situation genuinely favors Europe for most Indian applicants. One important trade-off though, US 2-year MBA programs have a summer internship built in. If you are doing a hard career switch, IT to consulting, engineering to PM, that internship is genuinely valuable. European 1-year MBAs don't have that structural buffer. You switch careers based on classroom learning and networking alone. And one more thing worth mentioning, HBS class of 2025, around 23% of grads were still job searching 3 months after graduation. That's roughly double the number from 2 years earlier. The US MBA job market has genuinely softened. So, my honest 2026 framework: if you are absolutely certain that you want to build a long-term life in the US and you are okay with the visa risk, go US. If you want a globally portable degree, faster ROI, access to Europe, UK, or exploring Middle East, honestly, Europe is the smarter choice right now. And that's not me being anti-US, that's just the reality of 2026.